Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making sure your device is updated and has sufficient battery. This prevents interruptions. Once done, back up or note your current lock screen so you can revert if needed. Then, open Settings and tap Lock Screen to enter the customization area. You will see wallpaper, widgets, and clock options immediately. Start with wallpaper selection to set the visual foundation, because everything else layers on top of that and depends on the chosen image. Now you customize widgets and layout to match your workflow. Tap each widget slot, add compact or detailed widgets, remove ones you don't need, and resize where the OS permits. Make sure to adjust the clock style. Choose font, color, and position, because legibility against your wallpaper matters. Then set notification previews and grouping so alerts don't clutter the view. This keeps your lock screen useful without being noisy. Take a moment to preview changes before proceeding. Finish by tapping Done or Save, and immediately lock the device to inspect the real-world appearance. You should test notifications, widget data refresh, and the unlock flow to confirm everything functions as expected. If widgets fail to update or styling looks off, make sure apps have permission and try restarting the device. If problems persist, revert to your backup or reset lock screen settings. This usually clears conflicts and restores a stable configuration. Then reapply your changes step by step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.